Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again. In this video, I will present the list of great Indian personalities who were conferred with the most coveted honor, the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize ceremony came on the 5th anniversary of Dr. Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist, engineer and industrialist who had patented many of his inventions, of which dynamite and gelignite are probably the best known. These inventions made him very rich, but unfortunately, he had very little respect in the society. In 1888, when his older brother died, a French newspaper erroneously published obituary for Alfred instead, featuring the headline, "The Merchant of Death is Dead." This obituary left Nobel distressed that how he would be remembered after he died, and decided to leave behind a different legacy. In 1895, Dr. Alfred Nobel wrote a 4-page will stating that his estate was to be invested in a fund that will go to the person who have conferred the greatest benefit to mankind. It was to be given to those who excel in the field of physiology or medicine, physics, chemistry, literature, and peace. Nobel also made few institutions responsible for selecting the awardee. Every year, the prize ceremony takes place on 10th December at Stockholm, capital of Sweden, with the exception of the Peace Prize that is given away at Oslo, capital of Norway. The prize has been given almost annually since 1901, except during the World Wars. The first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 in literature for his poetical work Gitanjali. Notably, he was the first non-European to get this most coveted honor. Sir C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He was awarded Nobel Prize for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. He was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in any branch of science. Dr. Hargobind Khurana, an Indian-American molecular biologist, received the Nobel Prize in 1968 in the field of physiology for his research about genetic code and explained the importance of protein synthesis in genetic code. Mother Teresa, the first female Indian citizen to win Nobel Prize in Peace in the year 1979. For her outstanding devotion and service through her charitable mission Nirmal Hriday in Calcutta slum. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, an Indian-American astrophysicist, won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. He propounded the theory of white dwarf and determined a limit for such celestial bodies. In 1998, the Nobel Prize was conferred to Amartya Sen for economics, for research on fundamental problems in welfare economics, studies of social choice, welfare measurement, and poverty. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry was given to V. R. Ramakrishnan in 2009 for the studies of the structure and function of the ribosome. Kailash Satyarthi, a children's rights activist, received the honor in 2014 for peace. He was a co-recipient of the Nobel Prize along with Malala Yousafzai. With Bachpan Bachao Andolan, he liberated more than 88,000 children from child labor, slavery, and trafficking. And now, the most recent one, Abhijit Banerjee, was given the award in 2019 in the field of economics. He was awarded for the experimental approach to elevating global poverty. He is an Indian-American economist and shared the Nobel Prize with Esther Duflo, his wife, and Michael Kramer. These great personalities held our head high, and we can do our bit by getting motivated from all of them. Hope this video entertained and informed you greatly. Please like and share the video, and do not forget to give suggestions in the comment box. I will be back with another interesting video very soon. Thank you.